Why you lagging? Why you lagging? Again, sorry. Again. I'm trying to do the uppercut sometimes like that. It's easy. You're gonna do is jump at him, then use some touch grabs, then after you jump. No. Yo, bro. Stop. Mr. Siakso. Stop, bro. We are trying to do a bit. Okay, bro got angry. So he left. So we gotta do it again. So then, today is this. That technique. All you do is basic. It's basic. You don't need to back or do this. No need for that. Only you need to do is the classic. See? All you need to do is that. That's all you need to do. Then we're gonna do the lethal, loop tech. Bruh. Sorry, I miss. So we're gonna do the lethal. Bro, how am I missing? There we go. In order to do that, you just gotta do the normal shape. Like you just gotta do a perfect circle. In order to do it, you just gotta do a perfect circle. That's all. Look, perfect circle. Wait, why am I? What the fuck? Perfect circle. Like that, perfect circle like that. Then, do you want to know this? The down slam hunter grabs text. It's quite easy. All you need to do is down slam, then use this, then punch, then gotta do it, then hold. Gotta hold it. Shout out, guys. So all you need to do to that is like this, down slam. Wait, why did I hold it? Then this, then this, then this, then this. Like that. Now for the Kyoto Tech, it's hard because it's the dummy. The Kyoto Tech is hard for the dummy. Sorry guys, next time I will do the Kyoto Tech. If I have friends, I have friends, just kidding, I have friends. They're not online. I mean, I can chat them. I could chat them. So, that's all guys. Like and subscribe. Guys, I have a fever and it's ubo. In cultural of Filipino, ang tawag na ubo. Sorry guys, next time. Bye.